Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the first three non-zero terms of the Maclaurin series for e to the x times sine x. So recall, the Maclaurin series for e to the x is here, and for sine x is here. So to get the series for the product of these, we can multiply term by term. So 1 plus x squared over 2 factorial plus x cubed over 3 factorial times x minus x cubed over 3 factorial plus x to the 5th over 5 factorial minus x to the 7th over 7 factorial. Okay, so now let's go ahead and multiply. So I'm going to shade this in pink just so we can see what I've multiplied. So this is the easiest one. 1 times any of these is just itself. So this is equal to x minus x cubed over 3 factorial plus x to the 5th over 5 factorial minus x to the 7th over 7 factorial, and so on. And notice I left a gap. That's on purpose. This will make it easier to combine like terms, so trust me as you follow along. So now let's multiply by x. X times x, that's x squared. And I'm going to write that here, plus x squared. X times negative x cubed over 3 factorial is negative x to the 4th over 4 factorial. Next, I have x times x to the 5th to get x to the 6th over 5 factorial. And then finally, x times x to the 7th is minus x to the 8th over 8 factorial. Okay, so now let's do x squared over 2 factorial. So x squared over 2 factorial times x, well that's x cubed over 2 factorial times x to the 5th over 2 factorial, 3 factorial. And then I'm going to stop here because we have enough terms to get the first three terms, and you'll see in a second. I can tell because of the way I've aligned these, and there's nothing to add to this, nothing else to add to this, and then I just need to add these, and that's it. All right, so what do we end up with? We end up with e to the x sine x, and I'm going to change this to approximately, since it's only the first three terms, is x plus x squared plus x cubed over 2 minus x cubed over 6. So x cubed over 2, 2 factorial is 2. X cubed over 3, 3 times 2 is 6. That's where I get this in the denominator. This simplifies as follows. So e to the x times sine x is approximately x plus x squared plus x cubed over 3. You got this.